looks like it just sold off even more, which means that DGAS should push up even more. Yeah, so now the bid is between 114.86 and 114.90. So as you guys can see right now on the day, let me make this a little bigger. $337.50. The trade that you guys saw me take, that was my first trade, and it worked out pretty well. So again, all together on the day, $337.50 on ticker symbol DGAS, and that was in about 5 to 10 minutes. So not bad. Alright team, I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't the most successful day trading or the most eventful day. Again, it's just due to my sickness. In the next couple of clips, you're going to see what I wish I was doing instead of being sick. Wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. For those that are part of One Client Profit, we'll see you at Market Open for our live trading session. All the links are down below if you guys want to stay connected. Hope I earned your thumbs up, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.